Hi there. I am ready to start planning my next online workshop, and I would like the topic of my next online workshop to be songwriting. Songwriting is a topic that I get so many questions about. I love the creative energy that I find in this YouTube community. And this is also a topic that many of my current students are currently interested about and asking lots of questions about. So I just think the time is really right, and the weather is beautiful out. It's spring. This is a time of new beginnings and creation. I just think this would be a great time to talk about songwriting. So I have lots of ideas in terms of what I would like to share in terms of songwriting and the songwriting process. But the part that I'm undecided about is how long of a learning experience I should make this. On the short end of things, I could create this to be just simply a 1-hour online webinar where I just kind of talk about the songwriting process. And it would just be very short from start to finish. So at the smaller end of things, it could just be a 1-hour online webinar. But if we wanted to expand this into more of an interactive experience, I could expand this into a course that lasts over a couple of weeks. So I'm thinking we would meet for an hour each week, where I would provide some instruction related to songwriting and basically send participants home with homework, a task that they would work out or an activity, and then provide a link to my Google Drive so that you can actually share your work back with me, and we can discuss it as a small group in the following class. We can talk about what the experience was like for you, and then I would set you up with the next amount of learning for the following week of homework. So something more interactive like that. So this video is just to let you know that I'm interested in doing this and to ask your opinion on if you're interested in a topic like this, how would you like to learn this? Would you like this to be a very brief overview of just the basics that you need to know about songwriting, or would you like this to be expanded into a fuller and more interactive experience? Please let me know by leaving me a comment below. And also, if you could also let me know any questions or concerns that you have about songwriting or the songwriting process, I would love to hear your questions as well, because that would help inform the material that I would choose to include in this online workshop. So thank you very much for your feedback. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. I can't wait to put this together. Take care.